welcome to day 4 of YOGATOBER. My name is Sorsha and this is the space between. Today is going to be a super short practice as we practice Kali breath, aka the transformation breath. This is a powerful pranayama or energy work, breath technique, however you want to translate it. And Kali is the goddess of death, of destruction, of transformation. So she sounds a little bit scary, a little bit full on, and if you Google some pictures of her, she looks pretty badass. So she is fierce, she is strong, she is powerful, and she destroys the dark to make way for the light. So if you're a little bit, if this makes you a little bit nervous, if you're like, oh, the death and transformation and all this stuff, all this change, the only thing certain in life is change, right? So we got to get used to embracing it into our lives. So we're going to use this breath, we're going to use this tool to get rid of anything that no longer serves us and embrace the new, good, juicy stuff. So find something comfy to wear, maybe have a cushion as well. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in a minute. Then guys, so we're just going to begin by sitting nice and comfy. I've got a little cushion propped up beneath me, and I'm actually at the moment I'm just in a little half lotus, but however you don't have to think about your legs is going to be the best way. So if you want to have your legs out in front, maybe you want to be sat on a chair or on a sofa, totally fine. What we really want to have is a nice long spine, nice straight spine. We've got this nice powerful Sushumna Nadi, this nice powerful energy channel up the spine, so we want to keep that nice and clear. So we're going to open it up by lengthening the spine, roll the shoulders back a little bit, have a little swim, and you can have the palms facing down or up, whatever feels good. If you want to, you can practice Kali Mudra, where we interlace the hands a little bit like Charlie's Angels, and the left thumb always goes over the right thumb. So you could just have that maybe at the heart or maybe down at the belly near Manipura chakra, your fire center. I'm just going to leave my hands out to the side. It's up to you. And we are going to just begin by closing the eyes for a moment. Just taking a few breaths in and out of the nose, noticing any sounds, smells around you, feeling the weight of your body on the cushion or the chair. Noticing where the mind is right now. Is it quite calm or is it very busy, full of to-do lists? Is the breath long and deep in the belly or is it quite short and sharp in the chest? Not berating ourselves. If it's the latter, it's okay. Noticing the body. Are there any niggles today? And just taking a moment to think of something you would really like to let go of during this full-time season. What is holding you back? What are you resisting? Do you have an obstacle that you feel like you really need to just get rid of it once and for all, or start chipping away at least? So it's up to you. You can, I know some people that kind of invite Kali, you know, to kind of come and watch over them as they do this. I personally don't. I just imagine this kind of fiery goddess in my mind. Or again, you can have a little look at photos and pictures. Sorry, not photos, some pictures on the internet. But you can just imagine this strong, powerful female. Or even sometimes for me it's just this fire, just this crackling fire in my mind's eye. And I just think of something I want to let go of. Maybe it's stress, maybe it's physical clutter, maybe you're doing, you know, it's a season of change and full time, so maybe you're getting rid of stuff, making way for new things for Christmas or family or whatever. Just thinking of something that no longer serves you that you would like to get rid of. And we're going to take a big breath in through the nose, and obviously if you can open your eyes if you want to, so you can look at what I do. I'm about to look very, very crazy. Always wanted to do this on YouTube. So I'm going to take a big breath in through my nose, and then as I exhale, I'm going to stick my tongue out. I'm going to try and make as much sound as I can. And you can have the eyes closed, or you can just, well, most people tend to open them, so it's up to you really. Yogini's choice today, or goddess's choice. You. So closing the eyes, drawing that spine up nice and tall, big breath in through the nose. Few breaths with the eyes closed. Let's do that again, so big breath in through the nose. You can bring the gaze up if it's easier. And then just close the eyes for a few minutes, just do a few cleansing breaths, so just breathing in and out, deep full belly breaths through the nose. This time really thinking of something you want to let go of. What do you want to burn in your fire? You can even imagine scribbling it down on a piece of paper and you're throwing it into the fireplace. What do you want to release? What is no longer serving you? What is the shizzle that is holding you down right now, holding you back? It might even be yourself. Just this vision of me like setting myself on fire. Burn, baby. No, don't do that obviously. But just imagine it in your mind's eye, or a quality that you have at the moment, or some stress, or something you really just need to let go of. Closing the eyes. Let's do a couple of rounds of the breath together. We're going to do 5 Kali breaths now, okay? If you want to do the mudra, you can left thumb on top. It's up to you. So 5 Kali breaths. First of all, we're just going to do 3 breaths in and out through the nose, just as cleansing, and then we're going to go into our 5 breaths, okay? So closing the eyes, spine is nice and tall, feeling heavy and grounded and weighted from the hips all the way down, nice and tall. The heart is coming forwards, nice and brave now. Big breath in and out through the nose for 3 breaths. Breathing in. Filling that belly. Kali breath, breathing in. Gently opening the eyes. Thank you guys so much for joining me for Kali breath today. It's also known as lion's breath, so I'll leave a couple of links in the description box below for any further reading you might have. Keeping it short and sweet today, so I'm going to sign off now. Bringing the hands to, let's bring it up to the third eye, closing the eyes here. I hope that this video has helped you to feel a little bit more grounded, a little bit more powerful, feeling empowered and fiery. You have the choice, right? You have the choice. So get rid of stuff that no longer serves you. Welcome in the new stuff. Be using that fire to just burn anything that no longer serves you. Mental clutter, whatever it might be. And make way for the light, make way for the good stuff, and enjoy the space, right? We don't have to just fill up our lives with crap we don't need, whether it's mental or physical clutter. Just enjoy the space, enjoy the head space, enjoy the physical space that Kali breath can bring. Thank you so much, guys. Namaste.